So I'm discussing about that how to promote my website using with the classifieds. Classify nothing but based on requirement we can place the ads. The famous website will be called Locanto, Backpage, Viva Street. These three websites we can promote entire global anywhere. This is the famous one is called, if anybody asking by local SEO, nothing but local ads. Nothing but local ads. This is called classifieds. Famous website will be Locanto, Backpage and Viva Street. First of all, I'm using for Locanto here. Click for Locanto.net is India, not for .com, not for .in. Locanto.net is India. Suppose I'm changing for US, that is called .com. Suppose I'm changing for Australia. Just look co.au. So .com.au is Australia. So India will be .net. So first click for your login here. Along with Google. Select your Gmail address. Now is login your account. If you check your ads, the option call is here. My ads. If you click the new ads, what option call is? Post free ads. Now, based on your requirement, select your categories. Category and subcategories. I'm setting my promotion with digital marketing classes. This is coming to for other classes and computer classes. I'm clicking for other classes. Click for proceed. Now select the first title is that digital marketing training course in Malapur. So after that, I'm take the content here along with the blog, website, and each links. Now after that, schedule date. The date schedule will be only for 90 days. Please write down any classified valid up to 90 days only. Few classified are valid only for 40 days. Few classified valid with the 120 days. But if you defer, fix the ads will be only for 90 days. So that is called today onwards. Still I'm fixing for 3 months. April, May, June 26th. So what is that? If your date specific weekends, you can stop the any class with a specific weekend. You can say fix here. Now what is that? Add your images. If you add the image complete for 20 images, class will accept the 5 to 20 images, but the locality will accept by the 20 images. Now click here. I can select any images. See this. I'm adding the all images. Suppose select all. Click for open. I'm selecting for all images. Please write down size will be 20 MB file image size. So image will be added here. After that, write your website information along with your mobile number. So state, country, and PIN code number. Click for post your ad. The ad will approve by the fraction of seconds. Ad will approve by fraction of second. If we run the paid ads in Locanto, top ads, gallery ads, and premium ads, they will show the budget. Select your duration. Based on duration, they give your budget for your getting for paid ads leads in the Locanto only, not for Google search engine. They only for Locanto website only for. This is called local search engine for classify. Same like OLX, Quicker, same like Locanto, Backpage, and Viva Street. Is it clear? This is a Locanto website. Now second website, Backpage. So are you working for which country? Suppose I'm into India. Just scroll down here. I'm selecting for India one. So India, where? Option call Hyderabad. So here. Before that, I need to log in your account. Option call is my account. I can log in with Gmail and password, or else you can sign up your account, Gmail, password and username. Now click with the login here. So right now I don't have any ads. Now just click. What option is? Post ad, post local ad. Suppose you need to multiple ads. At a time you can promote by all global. That is called premium, not for free. I'm searching for the local ad. Place belongs to for India. The place will be Hyderabad. Why I focus only for Hyderabad. This belongs to for community. The option call is classes and workshop. Location by Hyderabad. Now the ad will approve by the fraction of seconds. Now give the title here. Digital marketing training in Hyderabad. So I can give the prepare the course content. So your social media page or profile, simple one, you can write like this: facebook.com/digital Rakesh. Location Hyderabad. Address Hyderabad. 5,18. So yeah, what is that? Choose video or choose image. Video will be 30 seconds to 15 MB. Only for 30 seconds to 15 MB. Now images will accept by 12 images. Choose images. Select it. So now add it. Just scroll down. So if you go to the paid Ahmedabad Bengaluru, they call showing for budget. Now last one. Terms and applied. So just wait for a second. Why? Because there is processing for what is that? Images. So done here. Now click for continue. So any class will be same option. Title selection. So yeah, just wait for a second. Okay. Here I'm not fixed the mobile number. Just write your mobile number here. So he's asking for mobile number. Mobile number is required. So just write. Done. Now just scroll down. Click for continue. Now just capture code. Place add now. So I got the verification code. So it's complete for secured. So yeah, wait for a second. So yeah, just you add your code, just click for verify. So this is called created by the back page classifiers. Next will be called Viva State. Viva State code.in, that is called in Hyderabad. So here, this I'm fixed by Hyderabad classified. Post your ad. First select your category. So you can select here classes. Classes. IT and computer classes. State will be, I can select by requirement. I'm set by Andhra Pradesh. Here will be called Hyderabad. Set area will be individual or professional. I'm set by individual. Now ad name is called digital marketing training in. And remember, your state activation time is 24 hours. 1 hours to 24 hours. Anytime they have approved by your ad. Now just add your content. My content add with your blog, website link and video link along with the number and email ID. Just scroll down here. So here they accept for 12 pictures. Please write down Viva State accept by the 12 pictures. Now click. So we're adding my 12 pictures here. Just crop the image. Now add your phone number. Phone number mandatory for your classifieds and email address. They easily contact by this email address and phone number. If you not accept by this one, so you can write your password here for your mail password. Just I wish special offer not require this. So what that they're looking for password. Copy this ad. So here I'm adding image. Just I'm adding with the mobile number. Now click for terms and accept. Publish this ad. Same like so lot of sites will be there. Post a free ad site, use free ad sites. Lot of sites are there. If you need to without login sites also there. I can show few example. Just look here. If you are classified sites, just go to this blog scocz.blogspot.in. Here one of the blog. Just here option call is classifieds. Here n number of classifieds will be there. Promote your website. So I take one website here. Already I'm taking for locana.com. Now I'm taking only for locan.in. Why? Because I'm into India. Back page, Viva State. So I'm taking one website here. Any one website. See, is one of the website here not required for the login details. Just post your free ad now. Just come. Click for set your categories. So you doubt lot of people's. So without login, lot of websites create the free advertisement. What is the use? The earning will be only for Google AdSense. Why we can using SEO offline nothing but off page nothing but the off page we can promote other website is the website users are getting revenues Google AdSense. So the reason is our content submitted by the third party websites. There are two advantages. One is called they get the revenue their website. Second thing is our brand will promote by their website and can get the leads also. That is called other websites nothing but referral traffic. They generate for the leads. So you are selecting for here. Just I'm selecting for which one you require the category select here. Education, coaching classes. Now give the title. Digital marketing. So paste this code. So location is India. Place will be Hyderabad. Name will be Rakesh. Writing for finish your first your image 96. So I'm adding all details. Click for post it for pay now. What is my category here? Just look the category. So my ad is active or not? How to check? So already the display here, my ad will be active. So you just go to the city website. So what is my category here? What is my category? Go into service or education and learning. Option call is coaching classes. My ad. How to check? Just based on your category and subcategories. This website will not require for the logins. So if you have more classified purpose, just go to my blog scocz.blogspot.in. Ready for a lot of classified sites. Just follow the classified site, promote your website. You can follow my another blog also, digitalrakesh.blogspot.in.